Hello friends, you are very much welcome in Agriculture Current Affair 2022 session by AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. This is very important for Haryana ADO, IBPS AFO, NABARD, RRB SO and other agriculture competitive examination. Now let's start it. This is very important question. The question is according to the data released in Lok Sabha in March 2022, Dash has become top producer of vegetable in year 2021-22 crop year and Andhra Pradesh remain in the top position in the fruit production. Means in this question they are asking according to the data of Lok Sabha which state has become top producer of vegetable, and we all know that Andhra Pradesh is the top position in the fruit production. The options are Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra or Punjab. For this answer I will answer in the last. Till that comment your answer. Let's check whose answer is correct. This question is also very much important. Question is, where was the One Health pilot project launched in April 2022 by Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Where it is launched, the option are Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh, and the answer will be the Uttarakhand. Now understand the question. In this question, two questions arise. First, where it is launched. One Health pilot project is launched in Uttarakhand. They can give you the full form. What is the full form of MOFAHD? The full form will be the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Now come to the explanation of this question. Explanation of this answer is the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy DAHD under the Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy MOFAHD, the Government of India has launched One Health pilot project in Uttarakhand. What is the objective of this scheme? The objective of One Health pilot project is to implement the One Health framework by One Health support unit. Now come to the next important question. This is also very important question. The question is, name the India's first dairy community radio station that was recently in April 2022 launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Gujarat. Options are Vikalp, Radio Drisma, Vatsagam, Kisanwani or Dugdwani. The correct answer will be the Dugdwani. Now from this question, two questions can be made. First one is launching date of dairy community radio station. The launching date will be the April 2022. Who launched it? Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched it. Where it was launched? It was launched in Gujarat. Now come to this dairy community radio station. The full form is CRS, that is community radio station. Now come to the explanation of this question. Now come to the explanation of this answer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first dairy community radio station Dugdwani dedicated to the animal husbandry during the 3-day visit of the Gujarat in April 18 to 20 in 2022. The Banas Dairy Community Radio Station Dugdwani 90.4 FM will connect over 5 lakh dairy farmers across 1700 villages in Gujarat, and it is established by Banaskantha District Cooperative Milk Producer Union Limited. Okay, that is located at Palampur, Gujarat. Now come to the next important question of April 2022. Now another important question is, which state government recently in March 2022 has launched a insurance portal for Mukhyamantri Bagwani Bima Yojana? The options are Haryana, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab or Rajasthan. The correct answer will be the Haryana. Now come to the explanation of this question. Explanation of this answer is the Haryana Agriculture Minister, that is JP Dayal, he launched one portal that is called Mukhyamantri Bagwani Bima Yojana with an initial corpus of rupees 10 crore for the scheme. The scheme compensates sum of 30,000 rupees 30,000 per acre for the vegetable and spices, 40,000 per acre for the fruits, which will be compensated to the farmer upon VI 4 categories. The categories will be the 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%, and this will be decided on the base of survey. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is Kangra tea is geographical indication of which state? The options are Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh or Assam. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Now come to the explanation of this question. Explanation of this answer is Himachal Pradesh Kangra tea will soon get European Commission geographical indication tag. The tag helped Kangra tea to get an opportunity to enter in the European market. Kangra tea received GI tag in 2005 only. Now come to the next important question. This is the first question that I asked you to comment. The question is, according to the data released in Lok Sabha in March 2022, Dash has become the top producer of vegetables in year 2021-22 and Andhra Pradesh remain in the top position in the fruit production. The options are Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Now come to the explanation of this answer. Explanation of this answer is Uttar Pradesh has become top producer of vegetable, getting back its first position by demoting West Bengal to the second position with differentiation of million ton in the production year in 2021-22. Crop year it is current year June July. After the 2 year it becomes on the top position, okay, since 2020. Now come to the how to download this PDF. I will tell you all the way. You can download this PDF from our Telegram channel, that is link given in the description, or you can search Agri Learner app, you will get it. You can join our WhatsApp group. We update daily notes on our WhatsApp group. The number is 6201733962. If you want monthly current affair PDF in both in description and in MCQ with explanation, you can download it from agriguru.in. Link is also given in the description. Thank you so much for giving your time. Next video is coming soon.